Hello, reception class. It was really lovely to see so many of you taking part in our Zoom phonics sessions yesterday. We will be doing those again tomorrow, but here is a video for today's phonics lesson. So for today's lesson, you will need the two sheets that you can see on the screen. So the one with words and pictures and your one with the two sentences on. So if you want to pause me and get those ready now, please. Right, to warm ourselves up and get ourselves ready for phonics today, we are going to go on to YouTube and sing the song What Do the Letters Say? And be warned, parents, this song definitely gets stuck in your head. So you want to pause me again and go on YouTube and have a listen. Right, today we are going to be learning a new letter sound, and it's different from the ones that we have learnt before. It is called a digraph. It's called a digraph because it is made up of two letters, but when these two letters are together in a word, they only make one sound. And you can see it on the board. Then I'm just going to write it big on my board. So the letter sound we are learning today is qu, 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 qu. Can you say that with me? Qu, qu, qu. Say it to the ceiling. Qu. Say it to the floor. Qu. Say it to your fingernail. Qu, qu. Whisper it. Qu. And say it once really loudly. Qu. Right, on the board there are pictures of different things that start with a qu letter sound. Have a little look and see if you can figure out what these different pictures are of. I wonder if you managed to figure any of them out. The different things on the board with our sound in are queen, quick, question mark, quilt, and the noise a duck make, which is quack. And that is our action that we do to help us remember the qu sound. Is we pretend our hand is a duck's beak and we go qu, 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 qu. Right, next reception class, I would like you to go back onto YouTube and we're going to watch the video of Geraldine, our favourite giraffe, learning the qu, qu sound. So pause me again and go and do that, please. Right, next up, we're going to practice our blending by playing a little matching game. So to do this, you need the sheet there. Oh, and you'll need a pair of scissors too. So what I would like you to do is to cut out the words and the pictures, then put all the words on one side and all the pictures on the other. Then you need to sound out each of the words and then find the picture that matches. And all of these words start with our letter sounds. And if you have a go at this activity, then please send a photo of the matching words and pictures. So stop me and have a go at that activity now, please. Right, reception. Our last activity today is a different one that we haven't done before. Now, to do this, you will need the sheet that you can see here. So you have two different sentences. So if you just cut out the different words in sentence one first for me, please, and you will notice that at the moment the sentence doesn't make sense. So what you need to do is sound out each of the words in the sentence so you know what each word says. Then you need to try and move the words into the right order to make the sentence make sense. And I have just noticed that there is one thing that I've forgotten to do. The last word in the sentence should have a full stop at the end, and I've not done that. So if grown-ups just want to add a full stop to the last word in the sentence for me before you cut the words out. So if you want to have a go at that now, so again, cut out the words in sentence one first, try and read them, move the words into the right order to make sentence make sense. And when you're happy with sentence one, do the same thing with sentence two. And if you manage to do both of those, reception, get a grown-up to take a photo and send that in to me, please. Right, that is it for today's phonics lesson on the sound. Well done for working so hard, reception class, and I'll see you hopefully in our live phonics lessons tomorrow. Bye. Well done for working so hard.